If you're great, they gon' hate. Ha! Yeah! What's good, PB gang, man? Hey, it's your boy Poppy Blasted. Back to y'all, man. I know it's been a minute. I know it's been a minute, man. Um, bro, I've been going through so much, bro. Like it's been a lot. You know what I'm saying? But I know you guys been waiting for, well, a lot of you guys, if y'all follow me on Instagram, y'all follow me on social media and stuff, or even on the Goja Family channel, YouTube channel, that's right there. You guys can make sure you guys subscribe right there. I always vlog with the family and the kids if you guys want to get in my personal life. But a lot of you guys really, fuck with me generally. So, we grew as a family here, you feel me? On this Poppy Blasted channel. So I owe you guys a video. Even if I gotta stretch it, I gotta push myself to really, pick up the camera and press record. You know what I'm saying? Which it took a lot to do it because like I say, I always tell you guys, I'm busy a lot, man. Like, and then, I'm not only I'm busy, I'll be stressing a lot. You feel me? I was stressed for a while. I'm in a better place now. I mean, being an entrepreneur, you're gonna stress a lot anyways because there's so much that you wanna do. There's so much that you brainstorm. There's so much on your mind all the time, bro. Like, it's crazy. I did, I grew to be a different person. Same person mentally I grew up pretty much, and even though I was already grown when I first started the channel. You know what I'm saying? I was 26 when I started the channel, man. I'm 36 now. That was like 11 years ago, bro. I started this channel a long time ago, so we definitely built a lot, you know what I'm saying? We definitely, y'all saw like a lot already, you feel me? And y'all saw me grow, you know what I'm saying? Y'all saw me develop to buying another house, you know what I'm saying? To buying my first house, to, having kids, you feel me? Y'all done saw, my kids grow, you know what I'm saying? Y'all done saw, pretty much a lot of stuff, man. Like, and like I said, I feel like I owe you guys this video. Basically what I've been up to. And I've been up to a lot, bro. Like, I lost my little brother in November, like a day after Thanksgiving, man, in 2022, yeah. The day after November, I lost my brother. And once I lost my brother, my little brother, he was 32. That shit really fucked with me, bro, for real. Like, it still mess with me now, you know what I'm saying? So that slowed me down from filming, picking up the camera. That also slowed me down from brushing my hair, you know what I'm saying? Like, it just slowed me down from a lot of things. I gained weight, you know what I'm saying? I'm getting back in shape now, but I had gained weight. I'm in the gym heavy though, trying to get, mentally just back to PB, you know what I'm saying? Because a death is no joke. A family death is no joke, especially a sibling. It's really no joke. That's my little brother. We grew up together, you know what I'm saying? He looked up to me, you see what I'm saying? My mom, she has 4 kids, you know what I'm saying? It's my sister, my 2 sisters, and then me, and then my brother. My brother was the youngest. And then you got my other sister, which is the oldest. She's 40, I believe she's 40. She's 6 years older than me. So I'm 36. So she's, I think she's 43. Yeah, she's 43. It's crazy to say that though. But Choo-Choo, she's 43. I'm 36. My youngest sister will be, my sister under my oldest sister, which is the second child of my mother. She passed away when I was 10. She passed away. So then it was me, you feel me? And then my little brother. So it really is just me and my older sister left, you feel me? Out of my mom children. Obviously my dad has other kids too. So I have other brothers and sisters, but I'm talking about growing up in the house, you feel me? Like, my mom and my dad wasn't together, you feel me? It was just me. It's just my mom. She was a single parent, and yeah, she raised us well, you know what I'm saying? And I've been through a lot of shit. Okay, y'all, so I'm editing this video right now, and at the time I'm doing the video, I was so my mind was so cloudy that I didn't even like mention this to you guys, but I started to mention it, but I thought about it, but I was like, nah. But I tell you guys too, it's a lot of you guys from PB Gang, like back in the days, been watching me, you know what I'm saying? My OG members, y'all know. I lost my mother too as well when I was 15 years old. So yeah, a lot of y'all know that, a lot of y'all don't. So that's why when I say it's just us, it's literally just me and my sister. You know what I'm saying? My oldest sister. Anyways, though, back to the video. So it was just us. You know what I mean? So now it's just me and her, my oldest sister. So that's why I be trying to get her to get in shape, because she's heavy, you know, she's, you know, you love your family regardless. And you know that being big and really, you know, you got a more of a chance of losing your life when you bigger, because, you know, diabetes, you know, high blood pressure, you know, heart disease, all these things happen when you're bigger, you know. So you got to stay at a steady weight and a lighter weight to stay healthy, you know what I'm saying, to live long. So I'll be on her about that. I mean, I'll be trying to get her, you know, I got her a gym membership and everything. I'm trying to get her in the gym, because it really is just us. So I'm trying to like get her right, you feel me? So, you know, that happened, man. That really like just messed me up, man. My little brother, man. I know you guys want to know how he passed away. Pretty much, he passed away. He lived in Las Vegas, Nevada. I live in California. He moved out there just on some, I don't know, man. I always asked him like why he moved out there, man. Like, he just wanted to go out there. He had like a friend out there that he moved out there with, and then from there he was really supposed to just visit, and then he ended up staying out there. So I didn't really see him for a long time. If you guys don't remember, y'all remember, I think you guys remember, man, OG PB Gang members, y'all remember that I did like videos on him when he was in jail, and he did like, I think he did like 3 years, 4 years, and I was taking care of him in jail, you know, putting money on his books, making sure he eat right, you know what I'm saying, making sure he had all his hygiene, everything. So that shit right there, when that happened, that really fucked me all the way up, man, like for real, because it's just, you would never think that it happened, you know what I'm saying? I didn't want it to happen that way. So he passed away pretty much. Man, he had a seizure. And he had a seizure. On a death certificate, it says he had a seizure. And due to hardening of the heart. You know what I'm saying? It said hardening of the heart due to pretty much methamphetamine. So he was doing drugs, man. And I knew he was doing drugs, man, because you could tell when somebody doing drugs, they get skinny. You know what I'm saying? I really didn't see him that much. I always just to see him on, I pretty much just see him on Facebook and stuff. We'd just chop it up on Facebook. He always had new numbers and stuff, so I never really got, every time I see a 702 number, that's the area code in Las Vegas, area code, I always knew it was him, so I answered that phone call. But, so he never really had a phone, you know what I'm saying, like that. So every time I talked to him, it was always through online, you know what I'm saying, through Facebook or something. So, yeah, man. Drugs is not good, man. No, don't do no drugs at all. Don't do no drugs. And there's so much stuff I can say, but I don't want this video to be too long. But there's so much stuff I can say and talk to y'all about, as far as like the things I kind of regret with him. I'm gonna try to put a little bit in there. So pretty much, when he got out of jail, he was supposed to come straight to me. You know, when you're in jail, you have plans. You think about where you're gonna go. You get paroled or probation to, you know, whatever state you in. So he was in jail in Vegas, and he got paroled in Cali. So you know, the parole officer, everybody had to come to my house to see where he was gonna get paroled at and all that. But come to find out though, out of nowhere, he didn't stick to his plan, because he told me when he was about to get out, he was like, bro, I miss my kids. So he ended up getting paroled in Indiana. And that was where his baby mama was at and his son. So he didn't stick to his plan. He could have just came to me, because I was taking care of him because he would have came to me. And then I understand he missed his son, but I would have flew his son out to us. But he just wanted to change up the plans and go out there to Indiana and see his son, which I understood, because, you know, my nephew, he didn't see him in a long time, so they was missing each other, and I understood that. But when he went out there, that's where it all went bad, man. Like, he was doing good for a little bit. He had got a job, you know what I'm saying? And like the 3rd month came, bro. I'm like, where you at? You gonna come, bro? What's up? You ain't came yet, you know? Man, I'ma come, man. I'm just trying to wait it out a little bit, man. I promise I'ma come soon, though. Bro, I was asking him so much, because he was supposed to go out there for a little bit and then come to me. Remind you, bro, I never saw him before jail. I didn't even see him for a long time. So when he got out of jail, I still didn't see him. This is like 6-7 years I ain't saw him. I'm like, bro, I'll take care of you in jail. I'm starting to feel like, man, bro, I'm begging you to come to me. Like, what's up? Like, you gonna come or what? And he kept procrastinating, and then he ended up out of nowhere telling me like, all right, bro, I'm ready. But remind you, when he was telling me he was ready, he told me before he told me that he was ready, he told me like, I'm ready, but I started doing, I stumbled into some drugs and this and that. I'm just letting you know this and that. But I already knew, because I kind of had a feeling. He used to talk to me every day when he lived in Indiana. You feel me? We still had a great bond, and we was talking for a while. But all of a sudden, he just stopped like communicating with me. Like he didn't talk. We didn't talk daily. It'd be like weeks that we don't talk and shit. And then all of a sudden, he hit me up. So I knew he was in himself. He fucking around and stumbled into them drugs, and he shouldn't have stumbled into them drugs, because he was already clean for 3 years in jail. And I know that before that he was doing that shit. So I knew that it was gonna hurt him if he was to do that. Like, you know what I mean? I thought he was stronger, but I just knew he was doing something. So when he told me he was ready, and then he also told me that he was stumbling into some drugs, I'm like, bro, oh man, I got so imagine that feeling, man, when you're doing all that, you taking care of him in jail, doing this and that. He already didn't come. I was have faith in him and everything, and he was supposed to come to me. And then when he ready, he told me he was doing drugs, and it's showing. You feel me? Like, he started looking like it. I told him, no, you can't come. I told him, no, he couldn't come, man. And that's what I regret, because after that, he ended up going to Vegas with his friend. And then from there, it never stopped. And he just kept on doing it, man. Damn. Let me get myself together. So it messed me up, bro. That messed me up. I kind of, you know how when something happened, and you always like, when somebody passed away, and you be like, I wish I should have, and I always had that in my mind, like, I should have. You feel me? Like, I should have did this, and it ain't good to do that, y'all. So don't do that, cause it'll hunt you, man, because it's like the person gone now. So it's like you feel like you should have, but I didn't want to do that, because I didn't want him around. I didn't want him to do all that. I didn't want him to come with me and then ended up doing drugs around my family and around my kids, you know what I'm saying? And then we started getting into it, and it just be all bad. So, but I thought I had time, you know? I thought he would change over there, or if he wouldn't, then he still had time, because he was still young. I didn't think that, you know, he would develop a bad heart. He would, you know, end up having a seizure, you know, all these, you know, I just didn't know that would happen, you know what I'm saying? Like, so when I got that phone call from a 702 number the day after Thanksgiving, it messed me up, man. I get a phone call, 702. I'm thinking it's him. I'm like, what's up, bro? And actually, I missed the phone call. Then out of nowhere, you know what? I'm like, you know what? Oh, on the phone, that's Marquise. I didn't even call the number. It was a voicemail, and I thought it was weird that it was a voice message though. I thought it was weird that it was a voice message though, but the voice message was pretty much the hospital telling me that, you know, your brother's in here. He had a seizure. Before he came here, he had a seizure, and then he had a seizure again here at the hospital. And we're trying to revive him right now. That's all that through the... You know what? I'm fucked up, my bad. It's not even... She didn't even tell me all that through the message. She told me to call her. This is Wutu Wham from whatever hospital called me. Call me. So I called. Immediately, and that's when she told me all that. That he's trying to get revived right now. He had a seizure. He had 2 seizures. One before and one after. He's trying to get revived right now. Imagine that phone call, man. That was the worst phone call of my life. He died on the phone. He died when I was on the phone with the lady. I could hear them in the background. It's cold blue. This and this. Ooh, trying to revive him and do this and that, and she just told me out of nowhere, he's gone. Your brother's gone. I'm like, what? He's gone. That shit messed me up, man. I'm trying to be as strong as I can in this video, bro, because I don't want to be crying on this camera. You feel me? Y'all never saw me cry. Y'all always know me as being a strong poppy blasted. So I try to just stay as strong as I can. But this is why I've been gone, man. That's the main reason why. I try hard to keep coming back to the YouTube, you know, and stuff, and I vent here. I do like to vent, but at the same time, with that situation, I wanted to just stick to myself, and it really fucked me up, bro. For real, y'all, it really fucked me up. But anyways, that's it, man. But other than that, ever since then, man, I've been trying to get myself together. I just recently started back brushing hard. My waves is ass right now, you know what I'm saying? I'm trying to get back together, but I want to let y'all know what I've been up to. If y'all can, man, please follow me on Instagram. Please follow me as well. Make sure y'all subscribe to the Go Drip Family channel, okay? I do vlog over there. I just started back vlogging over there. I stopped that too, because I stopped everything, man. But y'all, if y'all want to, you know, it happened a long time ago, man. Y'all almost gotta send y'all condolences, but I just want to let y'all know what's going on, man. But I can't even promise y'all I'm gonna keep on filming every day and cap uploads, because I'm always busy. But I'm gonna upload as much as I can. When I do film and I do upload, and you guys see that I dropped the video, make sure y'all support your boy. Make sure y'all watch it, man, because every time I do film, I'm gonna try my hardest to give y'all the best. It's gonna come from here every time, like it's been. So just know, when you guys watch it, y'all helping me out, because it took a lot out of me to even do the video. You see what I'm saying? Because I'm so damn busy, and I try hard to give y'all what y'all want. But I felt like I needed to let you guys know. For the ones who don't know, I need to let y'all know what was going on and what happened with me. And that's what I've been up to, man. That. But I love y'all, man. New to the channel, please subscribe, like, put that notification bell, man. I'm gone.